Hello everyone! Today we will introduce a tandem hydraulic press brake. It consists of two sets of normal type press brake, 250 ton and 3200 mm length. The two machines are connected through electrical connection, hydraulic connection and mechanical connection to achieve synchronous operation. The electrical connection is installing a linkage controller, one of the positioning hosts, and then connected to the control box of the other machine through a circuit. In that case, the two press brakes will move up and down at the same time. The hydraulic connection is connected to the oil tanks and upper choke pipes of the two machines through two hoses, which makes the pressure of the two machines balanced when working under pressure. The mechanical connection means the two PCs of RAM are connected together to ensure synchronization absolutely. The advantage of tandem hydraulic press brake is easy operation and low price. It is suitable for industries such as gutters, sinks, steel structures, and handmade panels.